Hey you guys, before this video gets started, I wanted to apologize for all of the wind in the intro. I could not get away from it. And then the out of breathness that happens later on in the video. I had just gone on a scooter ride with Ollie. So big apologies. I hope you can still get the gist. So sorry. Hello you guys, it's Kaylee here with Embrace the Adventure, and I am coming at you with a storage video. So being a full-timing family of 4, one of the main questions I get is where in the world do you put all of your stuff? It's the storage that they really packed in the outside that especially sold it for Anthony. So for me, I was mesmerized by the inside right away. It's just so spacious, and it still blows my mind, you know, going from a house to full-time living, you know, whether it's an RV or, you know, whatever you're full-timing in, you can't really even imagine living in such a small space. And so in this unit, it made it such an easy transition because of all the storage. And inside is packed full of storage, but outside is no different. So check out this storage. I'm gonna walk you through it and show you all of the storage we have on the outside of our full-time RV, our Jayco 377 RLBH North Point fifth wheel. Check it out. Okay, you guys, welcome to our fifth wheel that we live in full time. We live in a North Point 377 RLBH, and we are obsessed with it. So right now, the front cap, as you can see, down here where the generator prep is, we have a storage tote, and it is, I believe, 23 inches front to back, 20 inches tall, and 17 inches wide. And then up here, we have some more toy storage, life jackets, and another small flatter tote. This stuff fell in transit because we went on the roughest road I think Tennessee has to offer yesterday. But this is our front cap storage area. And that's our front stabilizer there. And as we move this way, this is what really sold it for Anthony. Because for me, you know, the inside is what got me. But the outside is what got Anthony. So right now it's a little bit jumbled. Like I said, we were on the road for 12 hours, so everything is a bit jumbled, but I wanted you to see. And again, guys, it's full-time RV life. I didn't want it to be too glitz and glam. This kind of is what it is. First aid kit, and then sunscreen, bug spray, tools that we need to access pretty often, all of our cleaning supplies and maintenance supplies for our unit, microfiber cloths, and the applicators for wax, our mop heads for our wash and wax product. We do have our 2 beach chairs. They're usually stacked, but those did fall off. Yes, and we've got our ladder over here. I got these hooks from, I believe, Lowe's. And so that houses our ladder. We've got our mop handle for our wash and wax, oh my gosh, tongue twister, for our wash and wax products. And then our broom as well. I'm gonna go and get this out because we need it. There we go. So this is what we call our basement, you guys. And if you don't know, we did get rid of our storage unit. So everything that we own, it's here, everything. So every bit of storage we can get, we use it. And we do use our loft inside of storage as well. You can check that out in my inside tour video. Over here, we have our Blackstone grill, which honestly we have not used yet. Up here, we put our outdoor speaker when we come outside, or we store our cooler here when we are going places. Nice little outdoor fridge, really everything you need. And there is this cool little switch here that adds some light for some ambiance, if you will. So yeah, these are the 2 main bits of storage and space that we use when outdoors. We just set up here in Tennessee. Here's a little pan of our area. Here's that opposing side to that main storage area to our basement. And as you can see here, we've got our auto level, our hitch height, retract all. These are our auto leveling controls. We have an outdoor shower hookup over here. That's right there, which is very convenient for when the kids get dirty. There's our water softener. And then as you can see, if that other side was open, you'd be able to see straight through. But I mean, this is huge, guys. And I want you to know as well, so those are where we keep some hoses, but there's also that little thing you see over there, right there. that is what catches all of our debris from our indoor hose vacuum. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, it's not the cleanest right now because it's all jumbled, but I wanted you guys to see the space. And then also note that the flooring in here, that base, it's that nice rubbery material that's going to repel water and make it really easy to use your blower and keep it nice and clean. Right here, propane, we have these big old tanks.
Love it.
Yeah, you guys, and this unit is just really pretty insane. Like, as you can tell, it's 4 slide outs. The coloring is really beautiful outside, and the storage is next to none. So, or not next to none, that's not the right thing. We have a lot of storage, there we go. And the feet on this thing are gigantic. I do want to point that out. We did purchase these, and these are the foot pads, as we call them, that stay on all the time. So as you retract your vehicle, or as you retract the legs, there's Ollie's foot, and put them down, you never have to put them on. I think it's a jack pad. I always just call it the foot pad, but those are wonderful. And there we go, you guys. Oh, I do want to note too, we do have JBL speakers out here. That makes a humongo difference. Every past RV we've had to update the speakers because they just sound historically bad in an RV. These are the first set, and they are JBL, so no surprise there, they're wonderful. Here's another spray port. So we have 2 outdoor shower spray ports. The other one was over there in the storage bay, and this one right here by the door, which is awesome. There's our state map, and you guys, this is just a sticker showing our model. It's the Jayco Luxury 377 RLB8. Now, these awnings were a major selling point as well. They cover basically the whole span of the unit, so that makes a big difference for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of the outside and the outside storage of our North Point fifth wheel, and comment down below. Make sure to take a second to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Y'all have a great one.